Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm answering a great question that came in. And this question is, we have a page on our site that by and far gets the most impressions in Google Search Console, but however, we're not getting any business from it. What should we do to improve this situation and get business from this page? So, Google Search Console, a free tool. You sign up for an account. You basically put a little piece of code, verify the site. And it's a complementary tool to Google Analytics, but basically it'll give you an idea of some of the things that are happening with your site. So impressions, for those who don't know, that means every time that somebody sees your a page from your site in the search results, that is an impression. So this person is saying that they are showing up in search results and people are seeing that result in Google when they search for stuff, but they're not getting any business from it. So there's a couple things that this could be. One of them could be that people are not clicking the result when they see it. So one way to check this would be to look in Google Analytics and see if that page is the top page for page views on your site. Because if it's the top page for impressions, if you're getting the most impressions from that page, then you should be getting the most views from it if people are clicking that in search results. So those two should line up. Now, if for whatever reason that page is not what you're getting the most page views from, then it might be something where you need to make the title and description, and that's the headline and then the sentence of text that appears in Google search results. You need to make those more appealing to where people click on them more often and improve the click-through rate. So I would probably, if you're getting a lot of impressions, I'd be a little hesitant to mess with the title tag, because that does have a big influence on SEO for whatever terms you're targeting. But I would probably look at the description, the meta description, and adjust that somewhat. So the person indicated too that the keywords that they're ranking for, it's things that they're actually going for, they're trying to rank for. It's not just a random page where they just happen to rank for it and they really don't care, and it's a page that is not, you know, trying to sell stuff, or it's not anything that they super care about. It's an actual page that they're trying to rank for. So the second thing, look at the actual page and see if people are seeing what they expect to see. And what I mean by that is, if you look at the rest of the search results, if people are seeing a pattern of things, and let's say that it's a service page. We'll just say, for the sake of argument, this is a service page, and all the other pages, they maybe have like a contact form, or, you know, fill this out for a quote, and maybe they have certain things that they say that they do, you know, a list of, you know, here's all the things that we do around this service. Look at your page and see if it has similar elements to the rest of the pages in the search results. Now, if your page does not have those things, then it might be a thing where you're not getting business because either people can't contact you with a contact form, or they can't fill out a quote, or there's something missing on your page that people are expecting to see and they're not seeing it. So the third thing that it could be, possibly, if you're getting page views, if you're getting impressions, if you're getting click-throughs and people are visiting that page, check and make sure that your contact form and your quote form are actually delivering correctly, because sometimes that can happen. It doesn't happen all the time, but, you know, it's just worth checking out, making sure that you're actually getting the emails and the contact forms that you're supposed to be getting. That could be the problem. Just make sure that those things are functioning correctly. So my name is John Locke. My business is Lockedown Design and SEO, and I'm here every single day making videos on SEO. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer. Thank you to all the new subscribers who have come on recently. I really appreciate all the people that are watching. That's it for now. Until next time, peace.